My name's Alison, and before I had the treatment, I was quite shy and retiring. My teeth are my big insecurity.
Alison's days of being the life and soul of the party have long been left behind. Her path to self-neglect began with avoiding the dentist.
I would go when the pain was worse than the fear, and this is the result. Somebody said it's like having a piano with missing keys. I laughed, but it did affect me. I always used to talk like this because my teeth were really bad, or I'd make sure that I was sitting at the right angle.
Hoping to help Alison conquer her fears is cosmetic dentist Dr. Uchenna Okoye. After 27 years in the business, putting reluctant patients at ease is her speciality.
Hello, hello. Looking so nervous.
Oh, I am.
Yeah.
I am really nervous, if I'll be honest. It's been a long time since I've been to the dentist.
What's happened to make you so scared of coming?
The dentist as a child wasn't a place that I loved.
Okay.
So obviously as an adult, I grew up with the same attitude and mentality.
Okay, I totally understand. So it's a pretty big thing that you're here today.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is a big thing.
Fear of the dentist is really common amongst patients. In fact, I'm actually a dental phobic myself, so I totally understand.
I really do want to have my smile back, so it is worth putting myself through this.
So if you look at the screen on the wall.
They look awful. Look at the colour of them, and look at all those gaps.
Okay.
They look awful.
Oh, you're looking quite upset.
Yeah,
Are you okay?
Well, it is upsetting looking at that, because that's what people see of me every day. That tells me that I'm not looking after myself, and it's got to change. They were horrible. Makes me feel shame. The fear of going to the dentist stopped me from getting the treatment that I needed, but it needs to be done.
You are in control, so if at any stage you want me to stop, it's all about you, okay? There we go.
Dr. Uchenna plans to rebuild Alison's mouth using fixed bridges, a permanent option made up of crowns and false teeth to close any gaps in her smile. Prices start at £1,500, a lot to chew over, but when it comes to self-esteem, a stunning smile says it all.
So just cleaning up all the decay.
Dr. Uchenna is fitting Alison with a temporary set of teeth until her permanent ones are ready.
Okay. Ready? Over to you.
When my new smile was revealed, I felt absolutely amazing, like a new woman. I absolutely love it. Look! Oh my gosh, I'm smiling!
Oh.
Thank you for giving me back my life.
Oh, gosh, that's major. I'm delighted. It's been an absolute pleasure. Nowadays, 21st century dentistry is brilliant. There's always something that can be done. It's never as bad as you think. It was worth all the effort.
It was worth every single bit. I don't know the last time I felt this happy with my smile. I'm smiling at the end of going to the dentist, me. I just see Alison. People definitely react differently when they see me now. They don't look in shock horror when I open my mouth. And often I get lots of compliments that what beautiful teeth I have. And it's given me so much confidence. Yeah, a brilliant present for my 50th. I'd say to anyone considering this sort of treatment to go for it, because it will obviously change your life. I'd like to say thank you to the whole of the team, and I can't forget Night Dental Design. They're amazing, thank you. And come to London smiling, because they're the best.